afternoon. Today I want to make the dough of my tortilla. So I already mixed the mixture. This is already this one. It is already. So now I will make it as a dough. So I will prepare the table. I have a small table here in my kitchen, guys. So here it is. So I will put this flour on the table so that it will not stick when I am going to mash it. So here it is now. I will cut this one into pieces. So okay guys, this is my dough. I divided this one into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11 pieces of tortillas I will do. So now I will cut this one. Okay, so this one I cut already, this one. And this one, we will make this one into balls. Then we will make this one flat to make a tortilla. So here it is guys, by using my roller pin. So this is now the form tortilla. So this one I will remove this. I will put in skillet. Okay guys. So heating the skillet. Then I will brush this one with oil so that the tortilla will not stick. Okay, now I will put the dough like this. So this is homemade tortilla only guys. I just make my own dough because children they want to eat, so I made it by myself. So now I will reverse it. This is my platter. I will put my tortilla here. It's already cooked guys. Okay, so one is ready. So guys, my tortilla is done. Okay, I'm making still more, but this is the only pieces I show you in the video, and it's done.